Voiced and voiceless sounds. What happens when we talk? Air comes out of our lungs, up through our throat, and out of our mouth or nose. The air passes through our vocal cords, two small membranes in our throat that produce the sound of our voice. When we say some sounds, our vocal cords vibrate. We call those sounds voiced. You can feel the vibration of your vocal cords. Try this. Say, Touch your throat gently and you can feel vibration in your throat. That tells you is a voiced sound. In our diagram, we'll use a red zigzag line to show that the vocal cords are vibrating. Some examples of voiced sounds are as in my, z as in zoo, j as in juice, and as in red. All the vowel sounds are also voiced. When we say other sounds, our vocal cords are not vibrating. The sound is like a whisper. We call those sounds voiceless. Try saying s and touch your throat. You can't feel any vibration. That tells you that s is a voiceless sound. In our diagram, there's no red line. Some examples of voiceless sounds are s as in Sue, t as in toy, th as in think, and ch as in cheap. Now let's practice. You'll hear a sound and a word that starts with that sound. Decide if the sound is voiced or voiceless. Number 1, voiced or voiceless. Sh, shop, shop. The sh sound is voiceless. Your vocal cords are not vibrating. Sh, shop. Number 2, many, many. The sound is voiced. Your vocal cords are vibrating. Many. Number 3, lucky, lucky. The sound is voiced. Your vocal cords are vibrating. Lucky. Number 4, past, past. The p sound is voiceless. Your vocal cords are not vibrating. Past. Review. When we say voiced sounds, our vocal cords are vibrating. When we say voiceless sounds, our vocal cords are not vibrating.